How to V8 engine work. Step 1. Intake stroke. The intake valve opens, and the piston moves down, pulling a mix of air and fuel into the cylinder. Step 2. Compression stroke. The intake valve closes, and the piston moves up, compressing the air-fuel mixture. Step 3. Power stroke. The spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture, causing an explosion that forces the piston down. Step 4. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve opens, and the piston moves up, pushing out the burnt gases. Step 5. Crankshaft converts motion. The piston's up and down motion turns the crankshaft into rotational motion. Step 6. Timing with camshaft. The camshaft ensures that valves open and close at the right time in sync with the pistons. Step 7. Firing order. The cylinders fire in a specific sequence to maintain balance and power. Step 8. Cooling and lubrication. The engine's cooling system prevents overheating, and oil reduces friction between moving parts. Thank you.